Okay, now we have seen about some logical reasoning in the aptitude. In that very important chapter I have touched is relations. Okay, so and I have come up with some more examples also. I think it will be very useful to you all. Okay, so now we have come to the end of this mathematic tricks. Okay, so what we have learned. So now I'm just going to revise what we have learned. So those who are watching the newly, they will know about how what are the videos are there and what are the chapter I have taken. So okay, so for those people I want to revise it what I have thought it so far. So at the beginning I have thought about the numbers, isn't it? So what is mean be the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers we have seen. Okay, so what we have seen as a first thing, so we have seen about the numbers. So in that numbers it covers what is natural number, what is whole number, what is prime number, what is even, what is integer number, what is a rational and irrational. We have seen a different types of a numbers system in the mathematics. Okay, so later we have seen how to how to do the multiplication easily. Okay, how to do multiplication. We have seen about how to do the large number multiplication, like for example 97 into 96. Okay, for example 97 into 96 means we want to subtract the each number by 100 with 100, isn't it? So we have seen these type of the basic tricks which involves in the multiplications. Okay, so now and also we have seen about the different method in the multiplication. So for examples we have seen the 4-step multiplication, 3-step multiplications. It will surely avoid the n number of procedures, because for example if you take 62 into 71 means it will be the step will be very long, so it will take at least 6 to 7 steps to get the answer. So we have seen how to find it out the answer very easily. And the next thing we have to see about how to do the multiplication tricks in 3-digit number, 2-digit number. In the diagrammatic form also have taught it. Okay, next and also we have learnt about multiples of 5, multiples of 5, multiples of 11, multiples of 10 or 100. Okay, we have seen that type of shortcuts, and also we have seen about 9 and 25 also. So multiples of 5, 11, 10, 9 and 25. And also we have seen about multiplication of number closest to 10, 100, 1000. We have seen about multiplication closest to 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so and also for example this is a 97 is closest to 100 means we have to subtract it with 100. So we have seen that type of multiplication. And later we have come to the additions also, how to add the addition very easily and how to make the calculation very simple. For example 8 and 9. For example 8 plus 9 means you need not to calculate it with using the finger, because those who are very weak in the mathematics or those who are very average in mathematics, they usually leave their fingers. Even they grown up, they don't worry about it, they will leave their fingers. So for those kind of the people have taught about how there is a small tricks involves. What is a small tricks? The 9 have the 8. So 8 and 8 are 16, 16 plus 1 is 7. So I have also thought about how to calculate it with using your brain, very quick manner. So we have seen about the additions and its tips and tricks. Okay, so next we have seen about the compensation method. Compensation method and addition tricks. So in that addition tricks there is a Vedic, in a Vedic mathematics also we have seen a lot of additions tricks are there, and the compensation method. So compensation method means it's like a giving a compensation. For example, 19 plus 16 means, so if we make it a round, then it will become a 36, then after 36 we get subtracted by 2. Okay, then the what is the 28. Okay, so instead of 9, 10, 11, instead of leaving the finger, if you give a compensation 2 as a compensation and make it as a round, means it will be easy to make a addition. So this is what a compensation method. We have also seen this, and we have seen the double when the numbers are same. So when the numbers are same, doubling method, we have seen the doubling method. And next we are thoroughly we have seen about the Vedic mathematics. How Vedic mathematics is not anything a new syllabus in the mathematics. It is showing the another perspective point of view, thinking the same problem. For example, before the lessons, if there is a 9 plus 6 means you always leave the finger 7, 8, 9. So what after that you will knowing the another point of view. Okay, so if I added 2 or 3 here, 7, 8, 9. If I added 3 here, 9 plus 9 is 8. So 18 minus 3 is, we can find it out the answer. Okay, so this is also the Vedic mathematics also here, not a new syllabus. It is all showing the another perspective point of view. It's full of a brain exercise. It having a n number of problems and n number of solution to each problems. Okay, so for example, if there is an addition, so addition not only a single method they are following to get the answer. There are a different kind of a method making to reach their answer. In that we have seen about basic multiplications about a 9 and adding with the series of numbers. Okay, how to add with the series of number, and what is mean by left to right method. Okay, so we always use it to calculate from right to left method. So for a change, why can't? So why can't we make change on the left to right? So in a Vedic mathematics they teach about left to right method. And also we have seen about the soothe method. So soothe method means we just pointing out the 10. For example, 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 means the 8 and 2 are 10. So we just dropping the 10. I have told it. We have thought about it. And we have seen the lot of example on the soothe method. So soothe method will help you to apply it. When you are applying a soothe method in a lifetime in a mathematics, it will be easy to calculate. And also I have told about how the soothe method is helpful for your real time life. Okay, for example, if you are going for any supermarket or if you are going for any shopping, for buying any grocery items, we always make a use of calculator to calculate. So instead of that, if you apply the soothe method, if you keep on doing a practicing in a soothe method, you will definitely get the proper answer, and also it take a very less time comparing our normal addition. Okay, so next we have seen a lot of example in a soothe method, and next we have seen the number splitting method. So in that number splitting method, for example, it is a 4 digit or a 10 digit means we divided. For example, 3465 plus 2895 means we just split it. If you split it, if you do the addition, then it will be easy for your understanding. Next, subtraction. So there will be, so multiplication is very tough. Multiplication and division is a very toughest basic calculation in the mathematics. So they are all also given the very different type of perspective point of view to think on the another point to give the answer, to do the answer. So even though subtraction is a very easy in the Vedic mathematics, they have come up with the very few steps. In that few steps itself, we can get the answer in the subtraction. Even though numbers are 3 digit or 4 digit, we have also seen. Okay, so subtracting from a base. So subtracting from a base method we have seen. Next, subtracting from a multiple of base. If the number is greater than 60 means how we want to do the subtractions. So we have seen the lot of subtractions, and not only the Vedic mathematics, we have seen about the general mathematics. In the general mathematics, how the programming in the computer language, how the programming is working. For example, if you are giving a year and date, they will calculate your date of birth. Okay, so how they are making, so what simple calculations we have come up with the procedure how to apply to the programming language, how to find it out, the date of birth. So these are the basic in a mathematics. Every computer language in backup they will have a Max support. Without Max there is a no programming language. Okay, so we have seen about how the Max is supporting for the programming language. Okay, and the next we have seen about some few topics, very few important topics in the competitive examination, like for example logical and reasoning and some aptitude in the competitive exam. So these are the very major sums roles in the competitive examination. So it will help you to at least to reach to think about okay, so this is what reasoning, this is what logical, this is how to think about it. So and also we have thought about the logical reasoning as a last chapter today. Okay, so this is, we come to the end. We have seen such a lot of topics in the basic mathematic tricks. So why I am pointing out the each and every steps means, so for those who are watching the last video, say they want to know about it, how long I have taken out it and what are the topic I have covered it. If you want to do, you just search it and watch it. Okay, so keep on supporting to my videos, and thank you for giving me your precious time to me.